Hey, sweet cheeks. I really feel like I need like a something I say all the time, but I love calling people like random little like terms of endearment, and so you know what, I'm gonna call you guys random little terms of endearment too. Dear. Okay, so let's get into this video. What's up? My name is Monica if you're new here. I am a coach. I coach on acne, belief, and confidence, and more, but you know, those are my main things, ABC, okay? And today we're going to talk about skin once again, but it's like a super random tip because it happened to me and I'm not even kidding about this. It's the weirdest thing. So, are seatbelts causing your acne? What? Yes. Yes, they are. They are for me. So, somewhere, I think right here, I like was getting like breakouts, and you can still see like fresh skin because of like new skin because acne took over there. But my seatbelt was breaking me out, and I didn't even like think about it until like I was driving in my car, and then like, you know when you get a pimple and it's like a little sensitive? Well, like rubbed against the seatbelt and I was like, ow, and then I was like,
wait a second.
This is like direct line of where like I have a little bit of a breakout. What is going on here? So I cleaned my whole seatbelt. Soap, water, cleaned it. Like just out there with a rag, just cleaning, and probably looked crazy, but you know what, I have not broken out here since then. And so it makes me think, you know, there's so many little things that like our skin touches, like maybe in like the back of our seat if we have like an open back, or like we're wearing a tank top or tube top, like that could cause your acne. A backpack could cause your acne. A purse against your shoulder could cause your acne. Like little things like that. So I would really be wary of like where your acne is and what things usually touch there. And I know ladies, this is like a big one, but like bras, since we don't wash them like every time we wear them, they could be causing our acne. So make sure you're at least washing your bras every few days. I know, just like the pillowcases and our sheets we should wash every few days. It's a pain, but like we just gotta do it, you know? So yeah, I just wanted to throw that little tip your way and take it as you may. But it was huge. It's a game changer to think about those little things.
So yeah.
I hope you guys are having a very blessed day, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. My favorite thing in the world is chatting with you guys. Follow me on Instagram to get your daily tips and inspiration, and also just see more sides of my amazing personality. And love you. Bye.